being parasitologist, but because of the relation of hidatic and surgeon, we of course wanted the prevalence of hidatic in Turkey. And we searched two databases, PubMed and Scopus, recently. These are the keywords, and the inclusion criteria: only human studies with ultrasound-based screening, and exclusion criteria: case reports, reviews, serology-only studies, and alveolar including studies. This is our flow chart, and at the end we found 8 ultrasound-based survey studies for hidatic liver cysts in Turkey. These are the PICOS criteria: participants, all ages and all genders, intervention, ultrasound screening, compassion, rural and urban, and also children and adult subgroups, and outcome, the prevalence, and the studies, community-based core surveys. And statistical methods, basic statistics, that are complicated. And we found 8 studies, the time interval 1989 and 2018, and more than 23,000 individuals from 11 provinces. And 3 studies included only children from primary school, kindergarten, or others. 4 studies on adults, and 1 mixed. And urban participants, almost 1,000, and the rural participants, almost 13,000 people, population. These are the Turkey map. Actually, sheep grazing areas in Turkey is in the middle and the eastern part. So this is maybe a drawback of this study. These are the studies, and 7 of them done by Turkish researchers, and the last one from Heracles project, European Union project. Yes. And these are the summary. And in total, 0.3 in the prevalence, according to these studies. And in urban children, it's almost 0.1. Urban adults, 0.2, doubled. Rural children, 0.3, triple. And the high risk group is rural adults, 0.6. And in average, 0.3. The limitations of the study, because this is only liver cystic echinococcus, because we cannot understand if there is any lung cyst or brain or something else, because this abdominal ultrasound survey. And limited that data from the eastern part, because in this part, sheep grazing areas are much more and more. And there is a time span between 1989 and today. These are the limitations. And in summary, 0.3, but the highest risk group is rural adults, and screening and control programs should be focused on this population. This is our outcome. Thank you so much.